So I've just rushed to the bus terminal thanks to Evi, our host, and it took us just 10 minutes instead of the 30 minutes usual time, because he was pushing pedal to the metal because we really was going to get late as we ran the couch interview last minute. It was awesome. I just love the process. I love the hustle. I love being in the rush. It gives such a specific taste to this whole journey. I exchanged some money with him because, as you could hear, the exchange rate is really fucked up, so I could support him at least with this one, and I'm just so damn grateful for this experience in Tehran. So guys, that was Tehran actually. That's what's up here. I strongly encourage you, if you ever come to Iran, you're going to see Tehran for sure, because this is where you're going to land in the first place, unless you're coming overland, which is just a pain in the neck. So I strongly, guys, encourage everybody to spend like 2-3 days. 2-3 days is something that works for you guys in Tehran. Stay tuned, because I'm taking you to Mashhad. Mashhad is the second most populated city in Iran, located in the northeast corner of the country, just close to Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. It's named after the 8th Shia Imam, Imam Reza. It's one of the major cities of the ancient Silk Road, and its population just over 3 million. It's crazy, even though the oil is dirt cheap, they cannot meet the demands. And this is a small one actually, this is a nearly empty one. The queue is not so long, you gotta wait like less than 20 minutes. So places where it's 1 hour waiting time just to get petrol in your car. 1 liter, $0.1 guys. They call this city the poor people's Mecca because it's a massive pilgrimage place for the Shia Muslims. Now with my friend host, we are heading to try the Faloodeh, which you will see in a second. What's that? Spoiler out, it doesn't taste as good as it looks. So it's called Faloodeh. How do they make it? They use ice?
Saffron syrup.
Saffron syrup, okay?
Mashhad, that's it.
Only this one?
No, it's only this one.
Ah.
And the older one, you know? Here you go.
These are noodles. Taste like noodles at least. It's basically frozen peanuts ice cream. It's awesome. With some crackers in it. Added some noodles ice. And this gel-based sort of frozen seed syrup. Now the arrow shows the martyrs lost their lives in the Iraq-Iran war, and trying to acknowledge, remember, or just feed the fire. Now this arrow, however, shows the people selling cantaloupes, and every 500 meters have street vendors, rather highway vendors. So we get the ash. What is this?
Mirza Qasemi.
And this is like North Iran food, right?
Yeah. It's a handmade, it's a local bread.
And this is like a yogurt drink?
Yeah. It's a famous yogurt, Avali.
Carbonated kumis, kefir, carbonated fermented milk with a little bit of vinegar, if you're asking me. Awesome, awesome, perfect for digestion, 100%. By the way, this one, like I said, it's a local food from northern part of Iran, made of garlic, tomato, pomegranate.
Pomegranate?
No, eggplant. Okay, eggplant and eggs. All right. Super delicious. And ash?
Some beans and
Chickpea?
yeah, and what do you call the
Noodles?
Yeah, noodles. Yeah,
I see.
and some vegetables.
Wherever I get to go in Iran, I try ash because it's just like fabulously nutritious and delicious. So guys, one more reason to come to Iran, visit Mashhad. Like I said, I met Mehram on the bus, which was completely random. He and his wife gave me 5-star service, but it's not only him. Generally speaking, Iranians are just super hospitable. In fact, the most hospitable nation I've met ever since I've been on the road. And believe me, you get to see in a second why. But before that, let's see the famous holy shrine, Imam Reza's coffin. These are people from other cities. They came here for the shrine. And not him, well, he's also from another city. And some people just take it easy for the rest of the night, sleep here. Really cool. Look at the folks who are eating on the floor. I really enjoyed this because it's really a good yardstick how freely they live, not affected by this society. Can sit on the floor, can sleep on the floor, can't eat from the floor, bullshit like that. No, yes you can. If you're hungry, you do whatever is necessary to do that. That's what they do. So I really admire these folks for this sort of freedom. It was really a massive bummer, well, from your point of view, because it's sort of company policy at the shrine that you are not allowed to take professional cameras in it. So I could just use my dirt camera, which was good enough to make some Instagram posts. This is in States and in New Zealand, Australia, $30 to $40 an hour.
$40 an hour?
US dollars, brother.
I'm working for $5 a day. Fudge. You're going out of...
For the outside world, guys.
No, not you, Jisha. That's not me.
So guys, we made it through the night. We made really good progress with killing Darak. Now with these wrinkles around their eyes, half asleep, we are heading to eat calapacha. In a second you're going to see what is calapacha.
That's so full of fat.
It's so full of fat, as you could hear it. But let me give you a real spoiler on it. It's actually slayed goat with cut off limbs, cooked for about like 24 hours, including the brain, eyes, tongue and jaw. And you squeeze lemon on it, over it. It just like tastes heaven. Awesome. I've tasted it 2 years ago and now I get an opportunity to do it one more time, the real time here in Mashhad. So let's check out what's up. So, this is the calapacha. No. Yeah, it's back.
We call this tilit kardan.
Here it comes. I think this is like boiling fat at this stage. I did not know that you put cinnamon in it. I do now. Salt. No, that's pepper. You have lemon juice, right? Maybe it's vinegar. I
think ginger.
Ginger.
Vinegar.
Sneaky dog. It's definitely vinegar. Still, yeah. Wow, good enough. So that's
tongue and the eye.
All right.
Two eye and
The Joe. Brain. Or Joe. Yeah. Joe meat.
one tongue.
That's a tongue. Yeah. All right.
Can you toss the lemon? And that's the pepper and the salt.
Yes.
Guys, this is the eye. The goat of. Is it goat or sheep? Sorry for my illiteracy. This is the sheep. The eye of the sheep. Eye of the tiger, right? Delicious. I would say like lamb meat. How do you like the Joe? Is it delicious? Awesome.
It's so delicious and so soft.
Okay.
Soft and it's melting in your tongue, in your
Mouth.
mouth.
Right.
And the taste suddenly goes to your brain.
Okay.
And that's like heaven.
That was
Let's give a shot to the tongue. Now holding the camera and eating the tongue.
And this is the jaw.
Hi. The Joe. Whatever people say back in Europe or in a civilized country that it's barbarian, screw you. This is first class food. I love it. Trying and experiencing their culture, their traditions, talking to them, living with them, which was just an inhuman experience to me. Nevertheless, now I'm on my way to Turkmenistan, and I decided to show you guys in a separate episode how I was crossing the Turkmen border for one simple reason. It's really hectic and there's a lot to say about it. So stay tuned, because in the next video I'm showing how to cross the Turkmenistan-Iranian border. Till then, you, with a little bit of me, are shaping society. Bye.